Alright, here we have our RJ Corman pair of GP16s that I've had on pre-order since March 2016. A little late to the party here, but they accidentally got shipped to my old address before they got delivered to the proper address. So here we are from Tony's Trains. Lovely packing peanuts that nobody likes.
Are these the...
Yeah, those
these are the biodegradable ones.
Yeah.
Recommend buying these when you pack stuff.
They're biodegradable, but they get all over my floors. Tape. So let's get this tape without hacking through the box. Alright. We got the classic Intermountain boxes. So unfortunately, these boxes are kind of dated. They look worn. They really should update to like boxes like Scale Trains and Rapido and Broadway Limited and such. We got two road numbers here, 1739, which used to work the Western Ohio lines, and 1806, which currently works the Western Ohio lines. I've filmed the 1806 hundreds of times, but 1739 was gone before I ever started recording. Alright, which one do we want to open on? Start with 1739? Okay.
Okay. So I don't know if you can see this. Can you see this?
Some reflection up there. They can see it on this one though.
Okay. So, sorry for the reflection on the handheld, but is this holding? No, it's not holding.
Just say it. This is a good way to get these type of boxes. See if I can tear them. Whoops.
So, first we're unboxing 1739. So,
Nope. They're screws like similar to Atlas. Stop.
Okay.
You don't want to grab it by the horn.
Sorry, I'm trying not to.
We got a very beautiful engine here. A lot of detail. Can't tell if the stanchions and handrails are wire or plastic, but they feel pretty sturdy. A lot of cab detail. I don't know if you can see that in there, Nolan.
I can see that, and
yep, you got a full control stand, and
you can see the seats. You can see some electrical stuff from the actual inside of the engine.
yeah.
But you can see the seat. You can see the horn.
Been looking forward to getting these engines for 8 years now.
8 years.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm gonna adjust this camera. Do that. Are we released? Yes, we are. Okay. Nobody's ever gonna see them holes in the fuel tank. Atlas uses the same method. It's very secure. I just wish the cardboard box itself was stronger. Lots of detail on this one. MU hoses and ditch lights, cut lever, wipers. Not seeing anything that displeases me really. I'm gonna have to compare these to photos to see how they measure up to what's realistic. That one fragment of hair hanging off a grab iron. That'd be nitpicking to complain about that.
But other than that, it's perfect.
Yep. We're gonna have to build ourselves a switching layout.
And once it's finished, we'll do another video on these engines and show the actual details when they're running on the tracks.
Yeah, we'll have to set them up push-pull like RJ Corman usually does. An engine on each end and a few cars in the middle.
Like 1 or 2, right? Like 1 or 2 or a couple, like
Well, on average,
9 to 10.
an average RJ Corman train on the Western Ohio lines is about 10 cars roughly.
Okay.
Because they have scrap, they have box cars of tomato paste, they have agricultural chemicals, and a lot of plastic pellets. They recently lost one of their bigger customers because that place shut down. But being a modern plastics facility, I figure they'll sooner or later have a new customer move in. 'Cause I doubt that facility will sit empty. The economy is doing pretty decent manufacturing wise.
1806, and like the 1739, it's basically the same, only it's different road number, and I don't know anything else.
Yeah, this one's one of the workhorses of the Western Ohio lines. They have 3 locomotives based out of Salina, 2 locomotives based out of Salina, and 1 on the Spencerville and Elgin. Please do not hold it over the concrete.
Okay, there we go. So here we have basically the same thing, only this has different road number, and
The horn's different too. Look at that.
oh, the horn's different.
Yeah, the horn's on the cab.
And on 1739, it's right here.
We also got a different type of antenna. We gotta be careful we don't break that off. Alright, get on the tracks for the first time. The bell works. The horn works. The horn is definitely not road specific to 1806 on the Western Ohio lines. I'll show you an example video that I shot. And she comes to life for the first time. She creeps right along at speed step 1. Give her a little increase.